Okay, for our thoracic windmill, we're going to be lying on the side. We want the shoulders, hips, knees and ankles stacked vertically. We're going to bring our foam roller in front of the body here. The top leg is coming up, so the knee and the hip are in a straight line, ankle and knee in a straight line, and maintaining space from the bottom of the rib cage to the top of the hip. Hands come out into this nice crocodile position. The top hand is going to stay down, the top knee in contact with the roller as much as we can. We're keeping the thumb down on the floor and we're drawing a nice big wide circle round. We're stretching up to the sky, making sure the elbow doesn't bend. We're trying to keep our knee in contact with the roller as much as we can, and we're turning the head to follow the hand. From here we're going to loop our way back round to the start and go again. So again, try and keep that knee in contact with the roller. Don't be like me. Rotate through the upper body, keeping the hand down onto the floor and back round. The aim of the game is to keep the hips nice and still and get the rotation through the T-spine and the mid-back.